Alright, let's see if Mr. Bubba likes this lettuce. So this is the produce from Kroger, so let's see what he thinks of it. Here you go, Bubba. Here you go, Bubba. Do you like it? Do you like it? Or are you smelling the corn? Oh, I think he's liking the Kroger lettuce. Let's bring it in a little bit closer. Are you liking that lettuce? Bubba, what about one of these? You want one of these? Or are you liking the lettuce too much? Here you go, baby. Here you go. I think he's liking that lettuce too much. What about the corn? Do you like the corn? Yeah, I think he likes the corn. Alright, there you go, baby. You close your lid. Alright. Yeah, I do think he's digging Kroger produce. Yep, I think he's liking it. So what do you guys think? You think he likes it? You think he likes it? I think he's liking it. So Kroger produce is a win. So he likes Kroger produce. He likes Publix produce. He will eat Winn-Dixie produce, but he's not crazy about Aldi or Walmart produce. Walmart produce he won't eat at all. So Kroger produce seems to be okay.